Are you considering a clean-shaven head but unsure about the best tools for the job? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the best head shavers on the market, catering to a range of preferences and budgets. Whether you're a seasoned shaver or venturing into head shaving for the first time, finding the right shaver can make a significant difference in achieving a smooth and comfortable result. Join us as we dive into the top options and essential tips for a flawless shave. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Remington Balder Pro Head Shaver. If you're searching for an effortless grooming experience, the Remington Balder Pro Head Shaver is designed to meet your needs. As the #1 head shaver brand in the United States, it boasts award-winning performance that doesn't compromise on quality. With its advanced flexing steel blades and cordless lithium power, you can achieve a remarkably smooth shave in under 2 minutes. The Balder Pro features 5 dual-track heads that work efficiently to ensure every stroke delivers a clean and precise result. Whether you're trimming your scalp, back hair, or beard, the pop-up trimmer helps you tackle those finer details with ease. Enjoy maximum skin comfort thanks to the pivoting neck, which adapts to the contours of your head, reducing irritation and the need for multiple passes. Additionally, the shaver's innovative mess-free hair capture system means less cleanup after your shave, an essential feature for bald head users. For optimal performance, simply clean and lubricate the cutting heads after use. With up to 50 minutes of cordless use on a full charge, you have the convenience of taking your grooming routine anywhere, whether at home or while traveling. Make your grooming routine more efficient and enjoyable with the Remington Balder Pro, and experience the difference that a high-quality shaver can make in your daily life. At number 4, Freebird FlexSeries Electric Head Shaver. If you're in search of a versatile grooming solution that adapts to your unique needs, the Freebird FlexSeries Electric Head Shaver is designed just for you. Previously known as Freedom Grooming, this innovative shaver provides an exceptional shaving experience that caters to various areas including your head, scalp, face, beard, and even sensitive areas. The Flex Series stands out with its unique 5-blade rotary design, featuring soft alloy blades and advanced anti-bump technology. These elements work together to deliver a clean, smooth shave while minimizing irritation often caused by traditional razors. You have the flexibility to choose between a quick dry shave or a soothing wet shave. It's safe to use in damp environments, but remember to avoid submerging it or exposing it to high-pressure water. Built with waterproof construction, this electric shaver is both durable and shower-safe, allowing for convenient grooming without the usual hassle. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation, empowered by a long-lasting battery that charges quickly via USB. The Flex Series is tailored to meet all your shaving requirements while providing safety and convenience, enhancing your grooming routine effortlessly. Elevate your daily experience with Freebird's Flex Series Electric Head Shaver, designed to offer smoothness and comfort. With this shaver in your grooming arsenal, you can feel confident and look your best every day. Experience the difference that thoughtful design can make in your routine. Number 3, we have the Groomie Baldi Pro Electric Head Shaver Kit. If you're seeking a grooming solution that combines convenience and performance, the Groomie Baldi Pro Electric Head Shaver Kit is your answer. Designed for those who value a fast, close, and comfortable shave, it features cutting-edge smooth shave technology and a powerful 10,000 revolutions per minute motor, making it ideal for bald heads, chests, and legs alike. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your grooming routine: the Baldi Pro Head Shaver, Smooth Shave Blade 2, a charger, accessory adapter, exfoliation brush, pre-shave massager, and precision clippers with 3, 5, 7mm guards. With flexible shaver heads that contour perfectly to your body, you'll enjoy a mess-free shave in just 3 minutes. Perfect for quick touch-ups or grooming on the go. Experience a comfortable shave, regardless of your skin and hair type, without the worry of bumps, cuts, or razor burns. The Baldi Pro is also 100% waterproof, which means you can use it in the shower for added convenience. With its ergonomic design, you can maintain a secure grip, while the cordless feature offers complete control during use. The battery life is impressive, providing up to 90 minutes of shaving time on a single charge, and with the included USB charging cable, staying powered up is easy. Plus, the durable Smooth Shave Blade 2 lasts for up to 60 shaves before needing a replacement, making the Groomie Baldi Pro a smart choice for your grooming needs. At number 2, Pitbull Silver Pro SX5 Head Shaver. If you're in search of a reliable grooming solution, the Pitbull Silver Pro SX5 Head Shaver is designed with your needs in mind. This innovative shaver, brought to you by Skull Shaver, features an advanced motor that enhances performance, delivering smoother and faster results for a seamless shaving experience. You'll appreciate its versatility, as it works exceptionally well for both wet and dry shaving. Whether you prefer using shaving cream, foam, oil, or need a quick groom on the go, this shaver rises to the occasion. Thanks to its large shaving chambers, you can enjoy less mess and more convenience, keeping hair from scattering and ensuring your skin and clothes remain clean during use. The ergonomically designed grip allows for optimal comfort and control, making it easy to maneuver even in those hard-to-reach areas. With up to 70 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge powered by a reliable lithium-ion battery, this shaver fits seamlessly into your lifestyle without the hassle of cords. The Pitbull Silver Pro SX5 is more than just a grooming tool. It's a commitment to empowering you in your daily routine. Whether you're at home or on the road, this portable and waterproof shaver is your perfect grooming companion, combining efficiency, ease of use, and an exceptional design to help you look and feel your best at all times. And finally, the number 1 of our list, MANSCAPED Dome Shaver Pro Head Shaver. If you're someone who confidently embraces a bald look and prefers to maintain it, the Dome Shaver Pro is designed with you in mind. This advanced head shaver not only meets your grooming needs, but also enhances your experience with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. With USB-C and wireless charging capabilities, you can keep your shaver powered up effortlessly, ensuring that you're always ready for a grooming session at a moment's notice. The Dome Shaver Pro features 5 stainless steel skin-safe rotary blade heads that glide smoothly over your scalp's contours, achieving an incredibly close shave at just 0.10 millimeter. The innovative Flex Adjust technology ensures that the blades maintain close contact with your scalp, providing that smooth finish you desire. While it's important to note that skin-safe technology aims to reduce the risk of cuts, it does not guarantee complete protection. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic handheld shape and curved blade pad make it easy to maneuver over the varying contours of your head. Plus, the shaver's magnetic blade pad and hair chamber allow for convenient detachment, making it simple to clean and empty clippings. Embrace your bald look with confidence and ease, knowing you have the right tool to maintain it effortlessly. The Dome Shaver Pro is your go-to solution for an exceptional shaving experience. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which head shaver you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.